It is 5:45. We've been following the mold problem in Howard County Public Schools since the last school year. Now we have learned 12 schools tested for mold spores had higher than expected levels.
This has been going on for a while with parents just not trusting the school system in this situation. The testing was part of a memorandum of understanding between the school system and the county to try and address those parents' concerns about mold in their schools, even though the numbers were higher than the industry standard practice. An industrial hygienist from the school system says the results are typical.
Based on our 35 years experience assessing indoor environment in hundreds of schools across the country, those are all normal numbers.
School system says it has taken the appropriate steps to deal with the mold and also done more maintenance and cleaning throughout the summer. ABC2 is working for you to make sure your child is safe at school. We're going to post everything you need to know on abc2news.com/classroom concerns.